to put your hands together for the 2019 leads the aircraft over in big battle formation, the red, white and blue smoke trailing behind as they pull up to the vertical, red 1 calling the aircraft into short diamond. Over the top of the loop, 5,000 feet above us, it's red 1 leading the formation, that's squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot. He's previously instructed on the Hawk and is in his second year as red 1. Of red 1 in diamond is red 2, one of our new pilots for 2019. That's Flight Lieutenant Damo Green. Damo has previously flown the Hawk on 100 Squadron and he joins the Red Arrows from the Typhoon Force. Now celebrating the first of those 50th anniversaries, red 1 brings the formation in from the right hand side in Apollo formation. Get those cameras ready for the Apollo roll. Upside down at 3,000 feet above us, red 1 rolls the iconic Apollo shape. Reds 4, 5, 8 and 9 smoking as they go. Red 1 speaks to the other pilots with a very metronomic cadence on the radio. They're reacting to his voice rather than to the movement of his aircraft, which is ensured very straight lines and symmetrical formation shapes in the maneuvers. Well, as Apollo moves off to our left-hand side, the smoke comes back on. Red 1 has called them into Concorde formation. Concorde, that great feat of Anglo-French engineering, combining engineering excellence with a beautiful design. As the aircraft come towards you, you'll see the front aspect of Concorde. Red 6 and 7 forming the engines underneath, as if the aircraft was on approach to Heathrow. And pulling up calls red 1 as the Concorde shape pulls to the vertical. As the aircraft climb, they're about to transition into the next formation shape over the top of the loop. It's time for Cygnet. On the right wing of Concorde was another new pilot for 2019, Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Gregor Ogston. Gregor has previously flown the Typhoon, and he came to the Red Arrows having instructed on the Hawk T2 at RAF Valley. Red 1 leads Cygnet off to the right-hand side, the smoke goes off, and he calls the aircraft into a very technically difficult formation position. Now flying with 6 aircraft, all in line abreast, Red 6 and 7 tucking in behind. It's time for Phoenix. On the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Red 3, Squadron Leader Mike Bowden. Mike has previously done 4 years on the team, and he returns whilst David Simmons recovers from injury. Get those cameras ready, the colour is about to come on for Phoenix. The aircraft up, ready for the Lancaster roll. above these 1,000 feet above us, you may think it's quite unusual for a Lancaster to be rolled. However, reputedly, the great test pilot Alex Henshaw rolled the Lancaster numerous times when he was testing them at Castle Bromwich. On the left wingtip of Lancaster, as it moves off to our left-hand side, is Red 5, Squadron Leader Steve Morris. Steve is a former Harrier and Tornado pilot. He's previously served on the Red Arrows and rejoins us for the 2000. Coloured smoke on, rolling around the smoke of the other aircraft. Red 1 about to bank the formation to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. It's Tornado. Red 6 and 7 staying low. Get those cameras ready for the palm split. As the 7 aircraft complete their palm, keep your eyes on Red the Jippo Pass. Turn and crossing 100 feet apart in the Cyclone. As Red 6 and 7 face up towards each other again, they're going to cross smoke paths in the Slingshot. Now look to your left-hand side, here comes Red 9. He's got his smoke on in the Goose. Red 9 for this year is Flight Lieutenant Dan Lowes. Dan is a former Typhoon pilot and weapons instructor. He'd like to say hello to his mum and dad, to John and Hillary, to Pete and Sal, and especially to Samara. Red 1 leads the aircraft off to the left-hand side with a coloured smoke. It's about to change to white. It's the Heart. The red smoke comes on. Red 6 and 7 pulling away from each other as they create the Heart. Now coming down from the top right is Red 8. Red 8 comes down to complete the spear. Today the Red Arrows would like to wish Becky Cohen a happy 18th birthday and to dedicate Red the Heart. 6 about to roll inverted. They'll cross 100 feet apart in the vice versa. Spearing the Heart today was Red 8. That's Flight Lieutenant Chris Lyndon Smith. Chris is a former... Get those cameras ready, get the lenses zoomed out. It's time for the vertical break. Break go calls Red 1 for the vertical break. As they cross, the coloured smoke will come on, the aircraft pulling 6G, the pilots fighting hard against the G-forces. As they cross behind us, the smoke changing colour, forming a red and a blue half of the circle. fly in the Python. As Red 1 completes the first of those rolls, the aircraft coming in from our front right, the coloured smoke is on. Each aircraft having 1 minute of red and blue smoke, in addition to the 5 minutes of white smoke operated by buttons on the control stick. As the aircraft enter the second of those rolls, I'd like to say a big hello to Ian and Val. Red 1 completes the second of those rolls, he's flying. Our board calls Red 9 as the coloured smoke comes back on. Reds 8 and 9 rolling around 6 and 7. As Red 9 sings complete. Clear go, call 2 and 3, the signal for 4 and 5 to roll. Clear go, call 4 and 5 as Red 2 start their second rolls. This time Red 5 singing complete as the rollbacks finish off to our right. Red 6 and 7 once more staying low to make their red and blue smoke changing to white as they move away from us, positioning for the last of their opposition. It's time for the double rolls. Red 6 and 7 complete their colourful double rolls to the left and the right. And break. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrow!